Hello everyone. Today is Sunday, October 13th. Today I'm looking at recursion, specifically with the Fibonacci sequence. So what is the Fibonacci sequence? Here we have the two initial numbers, 0 and 1. Each number in this Fibonacci sequence is the sum of the two previous numbers. We can take these, add them together, 1. Take these, add them together, 2. Take these, add them together, 3, and so on. Okay, so let's trace this function for the recursive Fibonacci sequence. N is 3. N is 3. If 3 is less than 2, return 3, but it is not, so we don't do this. And then we call 3 minus 1, and we say 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2. And so the value at that index is 2.